Guten Tag everyone, here's how to reset the service reminder on your Audi with the MMI interface. I'm performing this reset on an A6 C7 model. That's the 2011 to 2018 model range, but it will be a very similar process for many other Audi models from that same model year. So firstly, we must begin by starting the vehicle's ignition. We don't need to start the actual engine itself, but once the MMI computer has had a moment to start up, we select the car button in the bottom right hand corner of your MMI controls, then select car systems with the bottom left hand sub-menu button. From there we scroll down to servicing and checks and select that option by pushing in on the scroll wheel. We then scroll down to service intervals and again push in on the scroll wheel to select that option. We scroll down one more time to select the reset service intervals menu option. We then need to scroll up to select yes, and we push in on the scroll wheel one final time to reset the service interval. You'll see the message, the oil change interval has now been reset. And you're all done, your Audi oil change service interval has been reset. Well done. Thank you very much for watching and happy driving.